Do you remember that bright idea you had? Yes, that one. The idea that made you smile. The idea that lit up your heart space. The idea that kept you awake at night. You tossed and turned in anticipation of the lives you would change, the impact you'd have on your home, your community, and the world. Finally, you decided to share the idea with a partner, a friend. Your excitement, your drive, and your initiative was contagious. Expecting positive feedback and support, the partner inhaled, then stared at you blankly. What happened? You thought to yourself, unable to interpret the stare. I thought you'd be excited for me. This idea is a game changer. I know it. I feel it. I can see it. I feel it in my gut. You said aloud as your joy and anticipation started to dwindle. I don't know, says the partner. Your idea, it sounds impossible. Maybe you should create a more realistic goal, a goal you can attain, a goal that you can reach without failing. At that moment, you mentally packed up your idea, your vision, and your goal and tucked it away safely in your heart. Today, I am encouraging you to revisit that space, find that box, and unpack your idea, unpack your vision. It was a divine idea. You were inspired to save and to impact people. You were inspired to change the world. Here's my advice to you today. Matthew 6:6 says, "But thou, when thou prayest, enter into thy closet, and when thou hast shut thy door, pray to thy Father which is in secret, and thy Father which seeth in secret shall reward thee openly." Write your vision down. Make it plain. Read it daily. Set your goals. Visualize your goals. Feel your goals. See your goals. Move secretly to accomplish them, knowing situations and circumstances will present themselves divinely to accomplish your goal. Walk in silence and let success be your noise.